So ma'am, it is a floma system. Okay, you put it as a 60 and 200. See, for office hysteroscopes, 60-60. Yeah, and this make it 200. So set pressure is 60 and set flow rate is 200. Okay. Don't, for normal endometrial cavity to just separate its wall, we need a minimum 30 millimeter of mercury pressure. So now we are setting a 60 because we need some pressure while we are going inside. Just start the flow meter. Okay, so see, this is, I am going by vaginoscopic approach. We are not holding any cervix or speckle of anything. We don't need that all. So this is your vagina, this is a posterior fornix, above which is a cervix, this is a watch on the fluid overload. You should finish these procedures very fast, otherwise patient may have a fluid overload and the pulmonary edema. So anesthetist team, please see that patient is not having a fluid overload. And don't push your fluid also too much, that's adding fluid, because
what is the difference in media you are using here?
What is the difference between? See, I am using a normal saline here. See, for bipolar receptoscope, now we are not using the glycine at all, because we have shifted to the bipolar receptoscopes. Okay. Long back we used to use the glycine, which has got more dreaded complications as compared to normal saline. So better to use a bipolar receptoscope. Okay.
When you stop cutting this septum, madam?
Yeah. That's why I am showing you. This is a one cavity, right? See, this is a proof that in spite of septum, she had 3 normal deliveries. So all the septums may not need a resection. This is another cavity. Okay. Fine. Now we are coming out. This is almost complete septum. Give me the scissor, please. So we are putting this scissor into the